Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Ipsy Glam Bag X. I'm so excited to dig in. Let's see what's inside, shall we? All right, and the first thing that I see in here is, per usual, is the newsletter brochure that Ipsy puts in their Glam Bag X. And the most recent collaboration is with the singer-artist Halsey, who also has, I believe, a makeup line. Her picture is everywhere here. Apparently these were her picks for the glam bag. And of course within are the various products that may or may not be in your bag. So let's see what I got. Is from Complex Culture, and this is their 4-piece brush set. I love makeup tools, so love it. We'll definitely be using this. It's something from the company The New Co. You see that? And this is their Barrier Culture Cleanser. Ooh. Pre-Pro Postbiotics. That's interesting. Deep cleansing anti-strip. This sounds really serious. Oh, it's from Wander Beauty. They've been appearing, you know, lately in my subscription bags. I'm just wondering, like, is this a brush or mascara? This is called a Skyliner automatic eyeliner. I got something from Tatcha. You see that? Wow. And this is the silk canvas. This is the one that influencers were just raving about for the past, you know, couple of years. The big influencers on their beauty channels saying they can't do without this, blah, blah, blah. And they've always tried to find like a less expensive version of this. And I think the e.l.f. Putty Primer was considered one of the ones that were the contenders. So I can't wait to compare the difference because I have that. This is the Silk Canvas Primer. It's a little prerequisite guide on how to do, and it comes in this little case. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this goes on top or what. Maybe? It has the symbol there. Wow, that's really nice. Okay. Oh, it goes like this. It has a nice, pretty little scent. It smells slightly citrusy. Can you see it? It's like a balm. It feels really smooth. And when you touch it, I guess from your body temperature, it has an interesting texture, but it definitely feels like a balm. Nice scent. I've smelled that scent before. It's very nice though. Okay. This came like this. Okay. I don't know what that's about, but maybe it opened during transit, but this is unusual. It's almost like they forgot to seal it. What is this? This is Herbivore Emerald. If I didn't know better, this looks like a perfume from the packaging. The packaging is really pretty. It's from Herbivore Botanicals. And this is the Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil. This is $48. few drops are like a warm hug for your skin. It calms, soothes, nourishes, moisturizes, and even protects from environmental aggressors. You can thank the hemp seed oil. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, squalene, turmeric root, and ashwagandha for those benefits. Oh, okay. I don't think I have anything with ashwagandha in it, so this will definitely be interesting to try. Oh boy, okay. I believe that this is, I think I mentioned earlier about Halsey having her own beauty brand, and I think this is one of her products. I think the brand is called About Face. This is the packaging there. And this is the Light Look Highlight Fluid, 1.5 is it 15 ml? 0.5 fluid ounce. For a moment, I thought this was going to be a foundation, but I don't mind a highlight fluid. Let's see, highlight fluid. How much does that go for? Okay, it's the Light Lock Highlighter, Highlight Fluid in Fight or Flight, Shaken or Stirred, and Sunstruck. So apparently there's 3 different options. It's $22 US. Leave it to Halsey to create a highlighter that's as versatile as you. The shimmery gold liquid can be used 3 ways: an illuminating base, an intense highlighter, or a glow booster in your foundation. You just add a few drops to your body moisturizer for an all-over glow. And that's what it looks like right here. And this is what it looks like. Is that gorgeous or what? Wow. And it says About Face right there. I don't know if you can see that. Right about there. There you go, where my finger's at. That's About Face. Gorgeous packaging, right? Very, very nightlife. Oh, and it goes off like that, and it has a dropper. The interesting thing is you don't see the liquid inside. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay. So that's what it looks like. I dare say it reminds me of another I've seen before, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on there so you can see. I'm assuming a little goes a long way. See that there? Oh, get into focus, guys. There we go. And I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, can you see that? Look at that. That is really glowy. I'm just gonna put it all around on my skin here so we can see the difference between that and this. This is definitely way more glowy. I would definitely put this in like, yeah, maybe a little in my foundation, maybe a little in my moisturizer, just to get that summer glow and retain it, at least for the last few weeks of summer that we're in. I like it. It doesn't have a scent, which is good. Last but certainly not least is something from, I got something from FENTY. Whoa, and this is what? Oh my gosh, I have to look this up and see what this is. It is a full frontal volume lift and curl mascara. And FENTY's mascara is $24 US, okay? Whether you're performing on the stage like Halsey or giving a presentation on Zoom, this mascara has got you covered. The innovative brush lifts, curls, defines, and separates for a dramatic lash look that won't smudge or smear for hours. Okay, that's important. Loving the packaging, which looks similar to, it's cohesive because it looks similar almost to like the rest of the packaging. This is like where they have their lips, the lips stunners, and then there's this. So this is in, because I'm black. Okay. Oh, the packaging is gorgeous. Do you see that? Let me see this. Am I doing this right? There's the packaging. Oh, it's Definitely paying for the name and for the packaging. Packaging does not disappoint. Let's see how the brush looks. Typical. Almost looks like a little bit of a diamond shape in a way, right? It has a little bit of that mascara scent, if you know what I mean, but it's not a perfumey scent. I'm assuming they ran out and replaced something, but I'm not totally sure. You know, and I did see something in this catalog that I know I ordered, and I don't see it in here. So I'm not sure what happened. So I'm gonna find out what happens with this little bad boy here. It's called Red Beauty Supplies, macadamia oil for face and body. That I don't see in here. I'm wondering if it's coming in a later shipment or what. I'm not sure why it's not here, but I will be reaching out to Ipsy regarding that. Overall, what do I find that's missing? I mean, there is some skincare, there are makeup tools, you know, I should be happy, you know, there's a little bit of makeup. I would have preferred like maybe a blush and a lipstick to be added to this, maybe from the About Face line, or maybe something from FENTY. I don't know. I mean, there were some big ticket priced products in here, excuse me, with well-known brands like FENTY and About Face and Tatcha. That was the big spoil for me. That was fantastic. I appreciate these skincare products. But again, it was a little light on the makeup, more on the, it seemed a little, you know, scattered, you know, a little more diverse, which I don't mind. For some reason, I'm just left wanting. It could have used this box, at least one or two other big things. To me, I don't know what they could be. The box is kind of big considering for what was in there. It could have been a lot smaller container. But other than that, I'm happy and I can't wait to be trying out these products. I believe the price of the cost of the entire box somewhere here. Let me know in the comments below. Are you an Ipster? Do you get the Glam X? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe your box was a little different. It gets a B. What do you think? Are you an Ipster? Do you subscribe to the Glam X bag? Let me know in the comments below what you got. And thank you so much for joining my latest unboxing. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me on this latest video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.